blood from lung to the left atrium. So the left atrium, they will pump the oxygenated blood to the left ventricle. Okay, and then the left ventricle, they will pump the oxygenated blood to the aorta. So aorta over here. So aorta will carry the oxygenated blood through all body cells, to all um, the body cells in human life except lung. So it will carry to the feet, to the hand, to the brain, to all parts of the body. So that's why you can see the aorta here. You got three arrow, and then they have like a three connection over here because they will carry throughout all the body cells. So once the blood reach the body cells, they will take up the oxygen and then they will release the carbon dioxide. So from the oxygenated blood over here, they change into the deoxygenated blood. So the deoxygenated blood lead from the all body cells need to go to the heart. Need to go to the heart, and then they will be carried by the blood vessels known as vena cava. Vena cava brings the oxygenated blood from body cells to the right atrium. So you see vena cava here, the arrow goes inside the right atrium. So from the right atrium, they will pump the blood to go to the right ventricle. Ventricle will pump the blood and then will go to the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery will bring the deoxygenated blood to the lung. Okay, to the lungs in order to remove the carbon dioxide. So this is all the process of the blood transportation from oxygenated blood to the deoxygenated blood. So please remember that it comes from the lung, go to the heart, go to the body cell use oxygen, remove carbon dioxide, and then bring to the heart again, and then remove to the lung. So this is the easiest way in order to remember. But you guys, the syllabus brings more complicated terms. You need to have you need to hafal, remember the name of the blood vessels here, and then the name of the heart parts also. So there are different the blood vessel and the part. Okay. So I simplify the parts and the function uh, in this table. So it's basically what I have presented just now. So it is the same thing. So it is easier for you to remember the pathway of light. So when you remember the pathway over here, like this in this diagram, you will know the function right away. For example, pulmonary vein here, you can see it is between lung and left atrium. So you know that it will bring the blood from the lung to the left atrium. And then the red one means oxygenated, and then the blue one means deoxygenated. So this is how you want to remember the name of the part of the heart and also their function. Okay. All right. Any question?
No.
No. Okay. I have question. For Nurin, what is the function of valve?
Apa cikgu? Saya tak
what is the
tahu lah.
what is the function of valve? Yeah. So you see here bicuspid valve, semilunar valve, tricuspid valve, semilunar valve. What is the function of this valve?
Hmm.
Galang.
Cik, I know.
The blood will flow through. The blood will flow through.
Okay. Asmita want to help Nurin
Yeah.
No, no.
Oh,
Ask
okay.
me.
Thank you, thank you.
No, 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 no.
So that the blood
The blood
only
will flow.
flows
No, no,
in
no.
one way and not in the opposite direction.
Okay. In order to
The blood will flow
ensure
through.
the blood go through in one way, so that the blood will not mix. Okay. So you know that you have a different blood, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. When you don't have this valve, this is potential that the blood will go to the opposite way and then they will mix. Then you don't have the difference between the oxygenated or deoxygenated. Okay, good. Okay, any more question? No.
Yeah, okay.
No.
We
Cher, I
go
cannot
to
see. Cher, I cannot see the
yes.
slide. Cher, cannot
Cher,
see
Thanos
slide.
cannot see. Cher.
Uh,
This
uh,
check your spectacles.
okay, Tanush, only Tanush
Hey,
or
shut up, ah.
all can see or
Only
only
Thanos
Try
or
Tanush?
left,
what?
lepas tu masuk
Try left and
Cher, I
then
cannot see. Cher, no slide.
okay.
Hey, try to
left lah,
leave.
lepas tu masuk.
Try to leave and come back.
Okay, try left and then go. Try left and then go. I mean that.
Huh?
Come, try left and then come back and then
Leave and
do
come
diagonal.
back.
Okay. All right. Okay, I will go to the next part, which is the blood vessels. So you know that you have artery and you have vein. You have artery, for example, aorta and pulmonary artery. Vein, you have vena cava and you have the pulmonary vein. Okay,
Can mute the mic, please.
siapa yang turn on mic, please mute
Yeah, please mute the mic. So
please mute
noisy.
the mic. Okay, all right. Artery, remember, artery brings oxygenated blood, while veins bring deoxygenated blood. So that's why artery is in red color, while the uh, vein is in the blue color because they bring the deoxygenated blood. Okay. But how does the artery connected to the vein? So in the middle
Asmita, mute mic.
you have the capillaries. So the capillaries is the exchange material between the body cells and the blood vessel. So it's in the middle. So for example, they bring first from the artery and then go to the capillary. Capillary will remove the oxygen, they give to the body cell, and then body cell give the capillary the carbon dioxide. Then the carbon dioxide blood will go to the vein in order to be removed.
I pen.
Okay. All right. So this is the difference between artery, capillaries, and veins. The function. Okay. So I want you need to look at detail how does the mean that you need to cut the artery, vein, and capillary, see the cross section, so you can see actually their structures are different because based on their function. So this is the function of artery: transport oxygenated blood from the heart to the body cell. Vein transport deoxygenated blood from body cells to the heart, while capillary in the middle is just the exchange materials between body cells and the blood. Okay. So artery, you know that it will bring the oxygen to all body cells. So their destination is wide. So many places they need to go. So that they need to be very, very fast. In order need to be very fast, they need to have the high pressure. Okay, how does they get the high pressure? They have only the small lumen over there. Lumen is just like the hole so that the blood can pass through. Okay, so they have only small lumen. When you have a small lumen, the blood flow inside will be very, very fast. Imagine when you have the water pipe, one is small hole, another one is large hole. So which one you will get you can see the speed of water is higher. So it should be the smallest one, right? So same thing like artery. Artery will have the small lumen, small hole, so that they will allow the blood to go faster. When the blood goes faster, you have another problem, which is the high pressure. So in order to maintain so that the artery will not be burst or break, they have the thick elastic and muscular wall in order to adapt with the high pressure. Okay. Alright, but vein is the other way. Vein, you have the large lumen because they just transport deoxygenated blood from body cells to the heart. They only got one destination, which is the heart. So they don't need to go faster. They just go slower. So when they go slower, they have the low pressure. So large lumen go slower, and then you have the low pressure. So you don't need a thick wall, you just need a thin wall because there is no high pressure. But the problem is when you go slower, there is a potential that the blood will go to the opposite way. So that's why the vein you need to have valve. So to allow the blood go to one direction on the artery, the blood is faster. So they will not have a chance to go to the opposite way. But vein very slow. So there might be possibility that it will go to the opposite way. So that's why vein need valve. Okay. And then the last one is just the capillary, just the exchange material between the body cells and blood, and also in the middle of artery and vein. They have a slow blood flow and low pressure, and they are very thin because they are very small. It's just like a single cell wall. So when you look at your fingers, you can see a green color, like a tube. This is a blood capillary, so it's very very small. Compared to the artery and vein, uh, the size is bigger. Okay. Okay. In human, our circulatory system is known as double circulatory system. Why we call double? Because the blood goes inside the heart twice, two times, dua kali. So first from the lung it carries the oxygenated blood. So this one, when you carry the oxygenated blood, it enter the heart twice. And then you use by body cells, and then body cells bring the deoxygenated blood to the heart again. The blood will enter the heart. So heart receive the blood twice, one oxygenated, one deoxygenated.
Because want to be pumped out.
Okay, sure, correct, Alvin. So that's why,
Macam
yes,
uh, yang biru tu deoxygenated kan?
yes,
Yang tu belah kanan ke belah kiri? Sebab kadang-kadang dia bertanya kan, right artery ke left artery.
okay, okay, you need to see this. Okay, the red one is the oxygenated blood. Left, the left part will
Oh,
bring the
okay.
oxygenated. Okay, and
Okay.
then the right one will bring the deoxygenated. So left part of the heart will carry oxygenated blood, while the right part of the heart will carry deoxygenated blood. So
Okay,
here they
faham.
call, okay, all right. So here they call it as a double because the blood enter the heart twice. One from the oxygenated blood from the lung, another one is deoxygenated blood from the body cells. And then this circulatory system you divide into two systems. One system is known as pulmonary circulatory system. They call it pulmonary because it connected lung and heart. Okay, you know CPR. What does the CPR stands for? Who knows? No one.
Don't know.
Don't know.
Teacher,
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay.
Person respiratory.
Something like that. Okay. CPR. C is cardio.
Cancer.
P is
Cancer.
pulmonary. R is resuscitation. Say CPR. You give the CPR, for example, when the person is drowning. From the drown, they cannot breathe. So you need to take care of their heart
Ryan, no need to message.
and also the lungs. Okay. So cardio means heart, pulmonary means lung, and resuscitation means bantuan.
Revive.
Revive, but they need to revive. Okay, so pulmonary here stands for the lung. So that's why this system is known as pulmonary circulatory system. It connected the lung and the heart, while systemic circulatory system connected heart and the body cells. Okay, so the body cells all throughout the body except for the lung. Okay, any question for this part before we go to the last part? You understand? Okay, Diana, I have a question for you. Diana, please turn on your mic.
The left oh cikgu.
The left dah, kenapa? Okay, Ilmi,
Sarannya ada je.
Ilmi,
Ilmi pun tak ada je.
Saranya. Okay,
Oh,
Saranya
ada,
turn
ada.
on your mic.
Ada, ada, ada.
Pandai.
Okay,
Saranya, Saranya.
Okay, I want
Saranya.
Ilmi first. Ilmi first. Ilmi, hello.
No, just Saranya already. Ask
Okay,
her.
Saranya. Why does the wind need valve?
What, teacher?
Why wind need valve while artery don't need valve?
Uh, I don't know.
Wow, how can you not
Cik
know? You are the most
pandai.
smartest person.
Okay, you can see here the wind contain valve while the artery do not contain valve. Why?
Mm,
Don't know.
mm.
Easy
Okay,
lah
anyone
weh.
want? Danish want to help?
Shut up,
Saranya.
Danish.
Cikgu,
Teacher,
Hey,
is it due
Danish,
to
help
the
lah.
blood flow, cikgu?
It's connected. It is because of the blood flow or why?
teacher, because artery, blood flow of the
Saranya, can
artery
teach
is
me
fast.
science, sir.
Okay. Asmita, continue.
Because the blood flow of the artery is faster than
Okay.
than than than
Okay.
the than the vein.
Okay. Then the wind. So wind is slow. When slower, there is potentially that the blood will go to the opposite. Dia akan berpatah balik. Betul lah. So
Ah.
remember that the valve is to function in order to allow the blood flow in one direction. So that's why the wind need valve because the blood flow is slow. While artery they are fast, they don't need they don't need the valve. Okay. Alright, Sananya. Okay, you understand.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, good. Okay.
Shania
Okay, next.
technique.
Okay, next.
JK.
Okay, Vibu. Next question.
Yes.
Okay, Vibu. Why we call the human circulatory system as a double circulatory system?
Why?
Okay, good. Very easy answer lah, cikgu. Because it has
Belagak weh.
Shut up, shut
two
up, man. Shut up,
different
shut up, shut up.
circulatory systems.
Shut up, shut up, shut up,
Okay.
shut up, shut up,
Which is
shut
the
up.
pulmonary circulatory system. They shut up, daddy. And systematic circulatory system.
Dia dah tu answer, dek.
Yeah, that
Okay,
is
Weh,
the
okay, sorry,
two
sorry,
cepat
sorry.
ah.
system. And another one, in order the easier answer is because the blood goes inside the heart twice.
Thank you.
Double lah.
Yes. One
Okay.
is oxygenated, then it comes out as deoxygenated. Yes, very
Ah.
true. I understand.
Okay, great, good. Okay, last Pavin.
Yeah.
Why the circulatory system in human is considered as closed, not open?
What?
Okay, remember. Okay, transportation system in human is considered closed circulatory system, not open.
Okay.
Why closed, not open?
Because we are homeothermic.
Sir, Ryan answered.
Ryan. Why is the
Ryan
answer
answered,
Ryan?
sir.
Alright.
Chinese.
Okay, there is one. Another one
Hey,
is
Ryan, please don't type lah.
Can.
Just talk.
Dia copy paste.
He copy paste. That's why lah.
He copy paste Google.
Ryan tak payah tipu lah weh.
Cikgu saya
Jangan
tolong baca
tipu
ya.
lah.
There must be
Sure,
one.
because we homeothermic, sure. Because we homeothermic.
Oh, because what do you call?
Okay, I cannot see
Sir, he
the
copy
chat.
paste. Sir.
I cannot see the chat, so I need
Why you cannot see, teacher?
Saya tolong baca.
Why I cannot see?
because I open the slide, so I cannot.
Cikgu saya nak
I-
tolong baca.
If I close the slide, you
Okay,
cannot see
teacher,
the
the
slide.
answer
Okay,
in
one
a
to-
closed circulation
Sabar
system.
I want to read,
Blood is directed through
Ah.
arteries to
Okay,
veins
Pavin.
and to smaller blood vessels throughout the body, as opposed to
Shut up.
bathing all tissues
Shut
and
up.
organs with blood.
Shut up.
The blood remains in
Shut up.
vessel and is transferred
Shut
at
up.
high pressure to and
Shut
form
up.
all extremity of
Shut up.
body at a rapid
Shut
rate.
up. Shut up.
Okay, the easiest answer is close because the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood is not mixed, tak bercampur.
So
Okay, what?
is different.
Just now you can see the rectile. You can see that they got the purple color, right? Purple color over there, the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood mixed. But in human, you have red, you have blue. They are not mixed. They are under the proper system. They are everything is close. closed system. Alright.
Hello.
Okay, alright. Okay.
How he write Tamil?
Cikgu,
Yes.
Bibu ni kata bapa dia dah tunggu luar pagar ni nak balik sekolah.
Oh, nampak. Kat mana?
Oi, anak kena.
Where are you?
Tak, dia kata bapa habis kelas.
Siapa?
Apa dia? Balik kelas?
No,
Ryan
it's like
nak
what?
Bibu.
Vibhushan, why cannot tahan now? Why want to do something? Is it? Huh?
Kecil dia cakap.
Okay, we should end at 4:40 right, because we have problem just now. So I explained that 20 minutes already. Okay, so this is the last part. If you have any
4:40?
question, it should be 4:40, but we
Okay, never mind.
we got problem
Teacher,
just now, so that's
Till
why we
6 o'clock,
extend.
teacher.
No. We will end this. So who need to leave can leave, but to do the module page 30 until 2032, I will remind again in WhatsApp. So for the last part here, if you have any question, you can ask. I will try to answer. So if you don't have, we can end the class. We meet again next Thursday.
Wednesday.
Huh?
Cik, Wednesday someone's birthday.
No,
My
not
birthday.
Wednesday tau. Thursday.
Oh, I
Allah.
know whose
Wednesday,
birthday.
ah?
Asmita's
No,
birthday, right?
we follow
Not mine lah.
we
No,
follow
sorry,
the
Saroni's birthday.
PDF file, not the one yang I post kat WhatsApp tu, the PDF.
Okay.
Because we
That's
have
right.
we need
So,
to
teacher,
register the back.
Teacher,
Yes.
Thursday Google Meet also teacher.
Okay, Google Meet also because everyone can
Hello.
join.
Hello.
But we need Asmita lah in order to organize. Okay, Asmita.
What? I need
Can,
Asmita.
Asmita tak
can
reti
always
je. Asmita tak reti.
No, Raif guys.
Can,
Guys,
sir.
yeah, don't know how to record
Pity
also.
him.
Shut up.
Saya buat je saya hari ni.
Yeah, let Raif do.
Itulah
Let
Asmita
Raif
tak
do next
reti.
time.
Raif, rumah Raif.
Boleh.
Tak rasa
Asmita
pandai,
useless.
bodoh.
Dula.
Okay, Raif.
Asmita
Okay,
useless.
anyone can do and then give the link to the link of the class. Okay,
Bye.
alright. Okay, last
Wait,
question.
today
You
is
have
what?
any question?
Teacher, today what date?
Today is
20.
20 April.
Ah,
So whose birthday 22?
I think so, Saranya.
Caranya
Happy birthday, Sharon. My birthday was 3rd April last.
Lord, teacher, why not call? We can go eat and this one, right?
Belated birthday.
Thank you very much.
Teacher, why lah you never call to eat? We can.
Yeah, later police tangkap.
A lot of people come kumpul together in one house.
now can.
It's social distancing day.
By the way, I'm not in Penang. I'm in.
We come your house to teacher.
Teacher,
Okay,
I also in Kedah, teacher. Teacher, I'm in
In
Kedah.
Kedah?
I'm in Penang also.
Oh,
Yes.
kampung also. Good.
Yeah, I'm in Kampong, teacher. My Wi-Fi damn bad over here. Cannot play properly.
Okay.
Teacher,
Any
walking to
question?
Dharme's house now, teacher.
Go ahead.
Teacher,
Okay,
that's why,
any
teacher,
last
I
question?
decided.
The video is recording.
Teacher, that's why I cannot have the module, teacher. I mean, this one.
Okay, it's okay. For those who can do the module, we already discussed. I will post this video or slide to the WhatsApp group. Okay, no more question?
No.
No? So can we end the
Teacher.
class? Yes.
Bila Thursday next class kan?
Thursday next class 4 to
Kita
5.
kita sambung topik ni lah.
Actually,
Okay.
I want to finish this by today, but we don't have time. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, class. Everything's okay?
All because of Ashmita.
yeah.
Okay, we have
Okay,
all
sure.
the
Because of Ashmita.
Okay, bye. Thank you, guys.
Just continue
Bye,
teacher.
Yeah,
Bye.
finish already, yeah. Hello.
Thank you, Cha.
Thank you.
Hey, what do you call
Come, let's talk.
our gang still wait over your floor.
Can.
Okay, can I left?
Yeah, teacher
Yeah.
can go, but our gang will
Sana,
wait
sana,
your floor.
wait.
Okay. See you guys. Bye.
Wait, don't go yet.
No,
Very
everyone
fast
leave because this is a recorded one and will be
Oh
recorded.
yeah. Okay,
Everyone
bye.
leave. Except for
No,
Joshua.
Why I want to leave? Please
Just
don't leave
leave.
me alone. I have no
Listen to
friends.
me. Listen to me.
No,
Just
I
No,
have
we
no friends.
leave and join again.
That's
We leave and join again.
Can
We leave and join again.
no. You make a new meeting if you want. Not this one. This one is
yeah.
recorded.
No, nobody will join.
Oh. Or hang out. Go to hang out better.
No, hang out worse.
Yeah, this one better.
But the problem is this is
I can
recorded.
see your face.
Yeah,
Joshua, stop recording.
yeah, you can stop recording what?
Yeah, Joshua can stop. Stop.